Hi, and welcome back to another Ginger in Japan video. Today we'll be doing a Paydirt review on Montana mining 2 pounds of gold Paydirt as found on Amazon. Cost me $18.94 with $5.99 for shipping for a grand total of $24.93. You are guaranteed to get gold in every bag, however there is no guaranteed weight. Stay tuned and we'll get to panning. Alright, we are back, and that's the plus 10. It's actually a good chunk of material. The material did come, it's a little wet, so I'm not sure how that, it makes classifying a little harder on my end, but we'll see how it pans out. One thing I would like to note too is a little different packaging. It was like one of those food saver bags that you vacuum seal. Just different. Usually you get coffee bags or Ziploc bags when it comes to Paydirt. But this one was vacuum sealed. So. Not really expecting much in the plus 10, never am. Would like to say thank you for everybody who's been leaving comments on my videos. I've been ordering those Paydirts, and we'll get them in line to review. Definitely some of the most interesting rocks I've seen. Nothing in the plus 10, so stay tuned. We'll get to the plus 20. All right, so we're back, and I'm not going to classify it down to plus 20 and minus 20. The material is so moist that I'm having a hard time classifying it. So, and I don't feel like classifying in my sake barrel. So we're just gonna go ahead and knock it out. So this is the plus 20 minus, well, everything minus 10. Make sure my material's good and wet. No dry spots. Don't see too many black sands. There they are. Pieces of gold. All right up in there if you can see it. So let me get this cleaned up, dried out, and weighed. Stay tuned. All right, we are back, and there's what the gold weighed in at 0.165 grams.